gonna be another typical Wyoming winter day today. Well, Mavic, looks like I'm gonna have to pull you off alert duty today. That weather just isn't gonna cooperate. A grateful nation thanks you for your service. Let's head out and do this train photography the old-fashioned way. It's third gear. You break down. Whoa! It's windy. We're at the overpass. They're good for dumping trash, of course. Probably got some masks and COVID viruses hanging out in there. Plus, we're checking out Stop Union Pacific trains over here. Cheyenne, Wyoming. Typical Wyoming winter. 50-mile-an-hour winds today. We get to check out trains though, don't we? That's the one.
Five seven seven. 5577 over. Got a car number for you to copy. That detector there, 499, gave a hot wheel. Got a car number when you're ready, over. Ready, copy, over. I got a CITX 680857, actual 4040 from the head of train, over. CITX 68087857, 40 is actually. That's correct. CITX 680857, over. Okay, we'll get her checked out.
After that fun, we decided to go get some lunch. But as we were leaving the area and crossing the overpass here, we noticed a westbound train coming in, so we just had to make a detour to go film it as well. We got to our spot just in time to see the front end power coming in. However, I was surprised to see the Norfolk Southern engine, and I didn't have enough time to get out and get a good shot of it. Now that all the fun was over, it's finally time to go get that lunch. But we did get to hear from the train with the overheated wheel bearing one more time before making it to the choke compute.
Alright, well, I guess after you check this car out, just work on tying that train down. I got a van ordered, over. Okay, check the car out, tie it down, got a van ordered for us. Thanks, sir. Back around.
That train's gonna be parked there for a while.